Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Learn the Groove. Again, I have a special guest for you guys. I brought up Bryce. What up? Wonder Bread. So, he showed me some awesome moves today, and we're breaking it down. He broke it down. A basic movements of Robot. Can you tell us something about it?
Yeah, Robot is a very old dance. It's a combination of both technique, movement, and character. So usually with a robot, you'd want to start off by breaking your limbs down into different parts. So I like to think of imagine you're a Barbie doll and you only have a limited amount of movement. As if your elbow is here, but then the rest of your arm is all stiff, so it'd just be like a kind of thing. And then you can break them down like shoulder, and then wrist, elbow. And then you start breaking it down individually and isolate it. You go like shoulder, elbow, wrist, elbow, shoulder. I don't There's original names. There's an old school robot, which is a more funky sort of bouncy robot, and it looks very bouncy. It looks like you're dancing. Whereas a 2018 robot, I just call it that because it's more of it's a more advanced technology. So there's not much bounce or jitter. It would just be like a very small and tight movements.
Yeah.
But
So why don't you show us how to do it? So come check us out. Hey, I hope you guys enjoy the dance today. Isn't he awesome? So, where can we get a hold of you guys?
You can actually find me mostly on Instagram at WonderBryce, and that's just my Instagram handle. I post most of my videos and pictures on there.
Yeah, go check them out. So don't forget to subscribe, hit like, leave a comment, share, do whatever you want, and I'll see you guys next time.
Smash that like button.